In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create question papers. Google Forms is a versatile and user-friendly tool that can be incredibly helpful for educators, trainers, or anyone needing to compile questions for distribution. Whether it's for a quiz, exam, or survey, Google Forms makes the process straightforward and efficient. Let's start by opening Google Forms. If you're logged into your Google account, you can navigate directly to Google Forms by typing Google Forms into your search engine and clicking the official link to access it. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a simple interface with various template options to kickstart your project. For our purposes, we'll choose a blank form to design our custom question paper. Upon selecting the blank form, you'll see a space inviting you to title your form. This is where you can enter the name of your question paper. For instance, if you're preparing a mathematics quiz, you could title it Math Quiz 101. Below the title, there's a section for you to add any descriptions or instructions you'd like your participants to read before starting the quiz. This could include details like the quiz duration or points per question. Now, let's move on to adding questions. By default, Google Forms presents you with a multiple-choice question, and you're free to modify it as you see fit. Click on the question text area to input your question. Next, you can add answer choices in the available fields. If your question type isn't multiple choice, Google Forms offers various formats like short answer, paragraph, and more, which you can select from a drop-down menu. For those who wish to make their quizzes more interactive or varied, you can incorporate images or videos directly into your questions. This can be particularly useful if you're teaching subjects that rely on visual aids, such as geography or biology. To add an image, simply click the image icon next to the question. You can then upload an image from your device or search for one directly within Google Forms. Similarly, click the video icon to embed a relevant video. While adding questions, consider enabling the required option for questions that must be answered before progressing further. This ensures participants don't skip crucial items. After you've added all your questions and their respective options, it's time to customize your form's appearance. Navigate to the palette icon at the top of the page and explore different themes and colors to give your form a unique look that suits the character of your quiz or exam. Once satisfied with your quiz, it's important to preview it by clicking on the eye icon. This step ensures everything appears as intended before you share it with participants. Finally, hit the send button that allows you to email the form, create a shareable link, or embed it into a web page. And there you have it. You've successfully used Google Forms to create a question paper, ready to be shared with your students or survey participants.